Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear parking sensors in the 2024 Kia Niro EV. I have in front of me here a Wave in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, I just want to show you guys on the outside here. These are where your parking sensors are located. So this one has the front parking sensors, and there's one right off to the side here. We have another one there. There's one down here in the black in the bumper, and it's the same thing just on the other side. And I'm gonna head around to the back now. And this is where they're located back here. So you have that one there, and another one in this near the center there. And again, the same thing on the other side. So when you are in the car and you're in drive and you start approaching another car at lower speeds, whether you're in drive-through or stop and go traffic, or there happens to be anything in front of you, a bicycle was left in the driveway, for example, as long as the car can pick it up, as you start getting closer and closer, you're gonna see now I've got some beeps going on there to let me know I'm now getting close to the vehicle ahead of me. And if I happen to be going a bit closer, it's gonna start to go yellow and beep a little bit faster. And then as I get even closer, and it starts to go red and beeps the fastest, then we're pretty darn close and we're gonna wanna stop by then. So this is just an example of you going forward at lower speeds. And when you go into reverse, of course your backup camera will come up there, and you've also got an example of the parking sensor perimeter here. And as I'm backing up and you start getting close to something, get a little closer to that one there, it will do the same thing. So the green and the slow beep, you're starting to get pretty close. And as you get a bit closer, it's gonna go yellow. And again, it's just kind of showing like the angle from what you're approaching is coming from. And as I go even closer, and now I'm in the red, it's gonna go red and be beeping the solid beep. So you'll probably wanna stop by then. Now this particular Wave, so I'm just gonna put it in park for now. This particular Wave trim level has the rear parking collision avoidance. So if you were backing up and you were getting really close to whatever it was, your car would then attempt to stop itself before getting too far. I've had that happen in my personal car when it comes to backing up to snowbanks or even some bushes in the parking spot. So not all of them have that, but this Wave one does. And there is a button right down here to the right of your dial shifter with the P, and it almost looks like a little pylon there. So this is where you can turn the sensors off. So if you happen to be, in a drive-through and maybe you got close to a car, I'm just using this as an example, and maybe you're now sitting there for a few minutes and it's just continuing to beep, you just go ahead and hit the P button and it's gonna go ahead and disable that for now. And then when you're ready to use it again, you just go ahead and hit it to turn it back on. And if you happen to go into reverse or go forward and the sensors are going off, but you just know for a fact that there's nothing in front of you or behind you, just make sure that you keep the sensors cleared. And again, you can use like a type of spray cleaner and just make sure you give them a wipe so that they are clear. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.